Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the column you will change. Click the header letter or press Ctrl plus space to grab the entire column. Once selected, make sure to inspect for merged cells, active filters, or a table object because those affect operations. If you need to rename the header, click the first cell and edit text directly. If you're moving data, press Ctrl plus X to cut, otherwise copy with Ctrl plus C. This sets you up to transform data reliably without surprises. Once the column is selected, decide whether to transform in place or in a new column. Use formulas when you need dynamic results. For example, equals trim, A2 or equals value, A2 to normalize text and numbers. Use text to columns to split cells, pick delimited or fixed width and preview the split. When finished, use paste special right arrow values to fix results, or paste special right arrow multiply to apply a conversion factor. Make sure to double-check header alignment and formats. To finish, replace formulas with values if you want a static column. Select Copy, then paste special right arrow values. Once done, reapply any filters and sort to confirm totals and formats display correctly. Change number format if dates or currency appear wrong. If values look off, make sure to check for hidden spaces, non-breaking characters, or text-formatted numbers. Use clean and trim to remove junk. If something breaks, press Ctrl plus Z to undo immediately. This is your fastest recovery option.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.